Hey, what's up everybody? I'm KB Kwan. Welcome back to my channel, Taste of Asian Food. Today I'm going to make something a little bit different from what I normally do. I'm going to make a salad. But today's salad is somehow different from the ordinary salad you may expect because I'm going to put some shrimp into my salad. So it is a fruit shrimp salad. And it is a Cantonese style fruit shrimp salad. Salad is not a common dish for the Chinese, but somehow or rather this shrimp fruit salad has become quite popular, especially being served during the traditional Chinese banquet dinner. So today I want to show you how to prepare this. You might have tried it before in a restaurant and now it's your turn that you're going to make it at home. So these are the ingredients required for today's salad. We have varieties of fruits, apples, red apples, green apples, lemon. We have also a Japanese cucumber, pineapple, honeydew. And besides that, I have some shrimp because this is a shrimp fruit salad, some mayonnaise, and some sweetened condensed milk. First, we cut all the fruits into small pieces. To prevent the apple from changing color due to oxidation, what we can do is put it into water and add a little bit of salt into it. This will help to retain the color. Next, I also cut the pineapple to small pieces about the same size of the apples. And do the same for the honeydew. And lastly, I also want to add some crunchy vegetables. This is the Japanese cucumber. I put it in. And these are the fruits and vegetables I use for this recipe. The two different types of apples, pineapple, honeydew, and cucumber. The salad dressing, it is a mixture of mayonnaise and condensed milk, just a little bit of condensed milk, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Give it a stir, and this is the dressing for the salad. In fact, you can only use mayonnaise itself if you wanted to make it simpler, but adding some additional ingredients like the lemon juice and also the condensed milk will make it even better. The reason I use condensed milk is because condensed milk is not only sweetened, and it is also slightly thicker than the normal milk. That means it will not dilute the mayonnaise so much. And also some lemon rind for extra flavor. This is optional. Okay, there are a few things I want to mention about this recipe because it's so versatile. Now, for example, there are people who want to fry the shrimp instead of poach the shrimp as what I'm doing, and it's completely okay. And in fact, it's quite nice. And also there are people adding different types of fruits besides what I'm doing, although what I am using is mostly those fruits that are used by the local restaurants. Now, for example, you can add mango, you can add dragon fruit, you can even add some eggs and some cheese if you want. And if you want to add the potatoes, you have to boil the potatoes until it is soft but it's not mushy naturally. So feel free to use whatever fruits that you want, whatever fruits that you prefer, and add into the recipe. For the shrimp, add some salt and then mix together and leave it aside for about 5 minutes before putting it into boiling water. This way will help to impart some flavor into the shrimp so that it is slightly salty, and also it helps to make it a little crunchy. Now boil some water in a pot, now over medium heat, and put the shrimp into it. Wait until it comes to a boil again. Now the water has comes to a boil again. Now it's already fully boiled, and as you can see that the shrimp has already changed color and it's all curled up. So now it's already cooked, and I'm going to remove it from the water. Transfer the shrimp to the ice cold water to stop cooking immediately. This way it will help to maintain the crunchiness. It also helps to prevent the shrimp being overcooked. Since the size of the shrimp is relatively big compared to the size of the fruit, so I decided to cut it into half this way. For the apple, I have removed it from the salt water and give it a rinse, and then put it on paper towel to keep it dry. Place all the fruits in the mixing bowl. And the shrimp. And the salad dressing. Mix well. And the lovely Cantonese style fruit shrimp salad is ready. Now before you serve, it's best to keep it in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours at least. Serve it very cold. That's how to prepare the shrimp with fruit salad Cantonese style, and that is the one that you have tried it in a Chinese restaurant whenever you go for a banquet dinner, and I hope you will love it. I have included the recipe in the description below the video and also at the end of this video for your reference. And please subscribe, tap the notification and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.